Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a Maze Bank property. Unlike real-world transactions, you cannot directly sell your property back to Maze Bank in Grand Theft Auto Online. Instead, the game uses a trade-in system. When you purchase a new property, the value of your existing one is automatically deducted from the new purchase price. This is the only way to sell a property and recoup some of your initial investment. To initiate a trade-in, simply open your in-game phone or computer and access the Dynasty 8 executive website. From there, you can browse all available properties, including apartments, garages, and offices. When you select a new property to buy, the game will automatically calculate and display the trade-in value of your current property. This amount will then be subtracted from the new property's total cost, reducing your out-of-pocket expense. It's important to understand that the trade-in value is typically around 50% of the original purchase price of your property. Crucially, any upgrades, renovations, or interior customizations you've made to your property do not increase its trade-in value. This means you will not recover the money spent on those enhancements. Therefore, consider your property choices carefully to ensure you are making the most financially sound decisions for your in-game assets. Before committing to a new purchase, always ensure you have enough cash to cover the remaining balance after your trade-in. This system applies to all types of properties, including garages and apartments, not just high-end offices. Think about the strategic advantages of your new location, such as proximity to missions or businesses. Making informed decisions will help you manage your in-game finances effectively and enhance your overall Grand Theft Auto Online experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.